I'm going to show you in this video how I can cut my grass. I'm paraplegic. I have this nice Cub Cadet 54-inch lawnmower. What I need to do is I bring my chair pretty close to the lawnmower. I reach over, I loosen the knob for the left control arm, and I drop it down out of the way. This gets it out of the way for my legs. I look over at the lawnmower and I try to adjust my seat height on my chair, either equivalent to or a little bit higher than the seat on the lawnmower. Once I feel like I'm in a good position, I unlock my right armrest and lift it up out of the way. Then I grab my transfer board, slip it under the edge of my butt, put my weight on the board, slide myself across the board. I have to help my legs move because they don't move for me. Once I kind of get myself in position, get my legs moved around, center myself up on the seat, I take the transfer board out and away. I reach down, grab that left control arm, bring it up. I'll snug it up a little bit. Test its position, see how it feels. Make a minor adjustment, and I'm done.